Alright, today we are talking charcuterie boards, or maybe even like an antipasta board. I want it to be around 3/4 of an inch finish. That's looking good. Took about 4 or 5 passes to get through there. I try not to take too much off at one time. Better to take a few passes. Now this one, a lot of times I'll put a hole through this, put a piece of leather around here so you can hang it up, which is okay. This one I'm not going to hang up, so I'm not going to do that. But I am going to run these edges. We'll cut it on the table saw. Hook up our vacuum. There. That gives us a nice straight edge. This one here, I'll use the panel cutter. All right, now we'll put the palm sander on it. 150. It's pretty buttery smooth, but you can see right here, it's got some checking. I'm gonna have to put some epoxy in there. It runs all the way down through here. The other side itself, you can't see it. That's where I had my center mark, drew my circle for the handle. But right up in there, that kind of bothers me. It checked on me. Oh well. I'll just continue to sand it down, make it buttery smooth. All right. We'll finish this up with some 220. And I'll just hit the edges by hand. This wood is so soft, it'll mark it up. You can see where I hit it right here. This will have to have the epoxy put in it. It just checked right there. Kind of disappointing. Hey, we are down at the shop again. All right, turn on the lights. I got my board. We'll be using this mineral oil on our project. Charcuterie board. Just dump a little bit on there. I want to hit all the edges. Work it in really well. This mineral oil, it's odorless, tasteless, colorless. Soaks up into the board, into the wood. Doesn't allow your cheeses and your olive juice and pickles to soak into the wood and leave a stain. So then you just take a dryer spot, dry it down. About once a year, apply another coat. Both sides, all the way around. That came out nice. That is a nice looking board. Can't wait to load that up with some meats and cheeses.